Hello friends, this is important for seated video. In this video we can learn sounds of birds, animals and insects. Monkey chatters, lion roar, hyenas laugh, hen cluck, geese cackle, flies buzz, vultures scream, elephant trumpet, doves coo, dogs bark, yelp, crows cow, cats mew, calves bleat, bull bellow, bees buzz, drone hum, asses bray, nightingales variable, pigeons coo, serpents hiss, squirrel squeak, turkeys gobble, snakes hiss, kites scream, sparrow twitter, beetles drone, mice squeak, jackals howl, horse sneeze, snort, cricket scream, frog croak, wolves yell howl, eagle scream, duck quack, goat sheep bleat, whine, cow low, cock crow, camel grunt, cattle low, bears growl, birds twitter, creep, sing variable, apes gibber, owl hoot, puppies yelp, sheep bleat, tigers roar, crocodile grunt, wolves howl, yelp, swan cry, parrot chatter, talk, screech. You can use the sounds of birds, animals, and insects in the searching of onomatopoeia figure of speech. In onomatopoeia figure of speech, we can learn about sounds. If any sentence, we can found the sounds. We can easily recognize onomatopoeia. Okay, that's it. If you like my videos, please subscribe and share.